My name is Justin Oberman, and I am a publicist, personal brand manager, ghostwriter, whatever it is that you want to call me. And what I'm going to be talking to you about today is what I think you'll find to be a very unique approach to personal branding. We've all heard about, right, how important it is today to work on your personal brand online and stuff like that. And the major problem with it is, well, we'll get to a few of the myths in a moment, is that even in the regular branding world, there's a lot of misunderstanding about what it is even to create a brand and come from the advertising world. So, just a really brief introduction about why it is that I think, and maybe why, like Calum and other people thought I was qualified to speak on this subject. So, my advertising career finally took off in 2012. But let me also move this over here so I can see these questions. So my advertising career took off in 2012, but something was terribly wrong because I was actually divorced from my wife. She lived across the country with my daughter, and the success that I felt was like very hollow and meaningless, you could say. And I realized that I had made a catastrophic mistake, and I wanted my family back. But the problem was is that my wife despised me. She wouldn't take my calls, right? She deleted my messages unread, made it very difficult for me to talk to my daughter, and she would often refer to me and tell me how I looked like Voldemort. So I did the only thing that I knew how to do, which was I used my advertising skills to create a campaign to win back my wife. And when I say that I used my skills, I created like briefs and like I went full in, like this was an ad campaign. I rebranded myself. I developed the social media strategy because I knew she was still following me there. I treated my text messages like direct response campaigns, and I can go on and on. But what happened was slowly and surely it started working. And in early 2013, I moved out to LA to be closer to them. And by 2013, and by late 2013, we were remarried.